Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Kruti Vyas, and today I am going to present the spark of creation, factors that inspired Mary Shelley to write Frankenstein. So, here is my academic details and presentation details. This is a table of contents which I will discuss today. So, my research question is, how did Mary Shelley's personal experiences, intellectual environment, and historical context influence the creation of Frankenstein, shaping its theme of ambitions, creation, and human responsibility? Hypothesis is Mary Shelley's Frankenstein was inspired by a fusion of personal grief, romantic and scientific ideas, and the intellectual climate of the early 19th century. These influences transformed her personal emotions and cultural observation into a timeless exploration of creation, loss, and the limits of human ambitions. So, introduction to Frankenstein and Mary Shelley. As we know that Frankenstein or the modern Prometheus is published in 1880. It is a Gothic novel. Wrote it aged 18 during a stormy summer in Switzerland. Is inspired by a dream following discussion on science and the supernatural. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein is far more than a ghost story. It is also profound culture artifact born from convergence of four major influences. First one is the romantic scientific debates of her time, particularly vitalism and galvanism. Third one is deeply personal traumas of motherlessness and repeated loss, and the visual and psychological intensity of Gothic art. So, and the emerging discourse of psychology that question human consciousness and moral responsibility. The novel function as an examination of innovations and narration. So, blending intellectual progress with narrative experimentation, and written during this novel, the stormy summer of 1860, as I earlier mentioned, and Lake Geneva, when Mary Shelley was only 18. The novel reflects the powerful fusion of scientific curiosity and emotional isolation that define her experience. The Genesis story, the summers of 1860, the pact in Geneva, a waking dream. The summer of 1860 at Villa Didotti, marked by inside rain and intellectual intensity, served as a crucible for Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. The isolation and the atmosphere of intellectual ferment, catalyzed by Lord Byron's challenge to compose a ghost story, pushed her toward a literary breakthrough. So, Shelley's inspiration arrived during a late night discussion about galvanism. So, the experimental concept of using electricity to reanimate dead flesh. So, this idea, which stemmed from a rational reflection on the terrified potential of modern science, culminated in a chilling vision, the pale student of unallowed arts kneeling beside the thing he had put together. The factor number one, personal life influence, motherlessness, and patriarchy. So, Mary Shelley's experience of profound personal loss deeply shaped the emotional and thematic core of Frankenstein. Her mother, the pioneer feminist writer Mary Wollstonecraft, died shortly after giving birth to her. So, leaving Shelley motherless from the start, and this trauma that resonates throughout the novel and its recurring motifs of abandonment and creation without nurture. So, then he raised by her philosopher father named William Godwin. So, with whom she shared a strained relationship. Shelley grew up with within an intellectual yet emotionally distant household, and her elopement with Percy Bysshe Shelley, marked by social scandal and family rejection. Further, her contributed to her lifelong sense of isolation and rebellion. Critique of patriarchal creation. So, patriarchal appropriation. Victor's Act is a critique of patriarchal appropriation. So, replacing natural and maternal birth with a cold and mechanical process driven by male intellectual and rationalism. The warning: creatures, isolation, and violence are the inevitable result of birth, devoiding compassion and rational responsibility. Factor number two, scientific influence, galvanism and romantic science. Early 19th century science deeply shaped Mary Shelley's creation of Frankenstein. In 1868, Villa, Shelley, Byron and Percy Bysshe Shelley discussed galvanism and this theory that electricity could animate lifeless matter. Shelley's link with Dr. James Lind exposed her to scientific curiosity mixed with moral concern. The psychological writers, the preface names Dr. Erasmus Darwin, the psychological writers of Germany, physiological writers, grounding Frankenstein in real 19th century, and Shelley critiques scientific hubris, showing Victor's pursuit of glory as a warning against knowledge without ethics. Factor number three, artistic influence. Henry Fussel's The Nightmare. So Fussell is the nightmare influence Shelley's Frankenstein as a painting of the unspeakable, an extent critic of male overreach from science of the domestic spare. For example, Elizabeth's murder, and symbolize the unspeakable trauma is Shelley's history. Factor number four and last one, the emergence of psychology. So Frankenstein explored the emergence of psychology by charting the creature transformation from an innocent tabula rasa to a vengeful being, and Shelley demonstrated here romantic psychological innovations revealing how external conditions shape internal conciseness. So synthesis and enduring prophecy, the frightful must be the effect of any human endeavor to mock the stupendous mechanism of creator of this world. Conclusion, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein was ignited by a confusion of personal trauma, scientific curiosity, artistic imagery, and intellectual debates. These all factors created a timeless warning about the perils of playing God. So the novel's enduring legacy stems from his rootedness in real life experience and innovation. I bid my hearers progeny go forth and prosper. Mary Shelley, 1880 preface. Here, these evidence are help to prove my hypothesis. So here my hypothesis confirmed, and these are the references. Thank you so much. Please question as welcome.
So, Kruti, can Frankenstein be read as a Mary Shelley's reflection on female creativity and the limits placed on women in her society?
Yes, Frankenstein can be seen as a Mary Shelley's reflection on a woman's limited creative freedom by showing men creative life without women. She highlights the danger of excluding women's roles in imagination and creation. Anyone else?
So my question to you is that what role did the intellectual debates about science, religion, and morality during the Romantic period play in shaping Shelley's work?
During the Romantic period, intellectual debate about science, religion, and morality inspired Shelley to show both power and as well as danger of human ambition. And Frankenstein warns that science without moral responsibility can be lead to the tragedy. So this is from my side. Thank you.